Now, during installation, you will face this problem. This is because the secure boot is by default enabled in our BIOS setting, which only allows Windows 10 to boot. We need to disable the secure boot. If you don't know how to access BIOS mode, or if you don't know on starting the computer which key to press to enter the BIOS mode, then just follow this setting. It's very easy. Just go to your Windows setting and then go to Windows Update. After that, you need to click on the recovery, and then you need to click on advanced setting. So it will restart now and it will enter into the recovery boot or recovery mode. Now from here, go to troubleshoot. Just click on it and go to advanced option, and now go to UEFI firmware setting and just restart your PC, and now it will enter into BIOS mode. So you can see my PC is entered into the BIOS mode. Now just go to the security setting with the help of arrow keys on your keyboard, and now go to the boot secure boot option. I have already disabled it. You just need to click on that and there will be option to disable it. And after doing this, just go to the exit, save the current setting, and the laptop will your PC will restart automatically. Or you can just press F10 button. It will save applied setting and your PC will restart. So once your PC restart, you don't need to reinstall the Phoenix OS. It is already installed. Now, in order to launch the Phoenix OS, you just need to click on the Phoenix OS icon. Just need to click here, or you can restart your PC. I am restarting because I want to show you on starting computer there is dual boot option to choose between Windows 10 and Phoenix OS, and accordingly you can choose which OS you want to boot. So here I am restarting my PC. I am shutting down and again I will start the PC. On starting, the PC will give two options. So as you can see, there is dual boot option, Windows 10 and Phoenix OS. So accordingly you can choose. So I have selected here Phoenix OS, and now I will press enter key. Now my PC will boot in Phoenix OS. Initially, first time it will take some time, around 1 to 2 minutes to boot up. After that it will boot very fast. If it takes a long time, just don't worry. So as you can see, finally the Phoenix OS has boot up. You can see how fresh and fast this OS is. At the right side, bottom, we have the notification panel. Somewhat this notification panel is similar to Windows 10 notification panel. And here this is my computer where you can access all the files installed on Phoenix OS. You can't be able to access the files installed on Windows 10 OS. At the left side bottom, we have Start menu. Here all the installed applications are shown. Now this is the setting menu. This Phoenix OS comes rooted. You can easily access root permission by just clicking on the root icon. So this is interesting. The current Android version installed is Nougat 7.1.1. The can also change the setting menu to Android default. So here you can see the Android default setting menu. The maximum allocated memory is 32 GB. I have selected 32 GB during the installation process, which is the maximum supported memory by Phoenix OS. In my next video, I will show how well PUBG runs on this OS. Thank you.